What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today I have the Nike Mac Attack Silver Linings, a collaboration with Social Status. They released July 14th for a retail price of $140. Although the design of the shoe is very simple, the storyline and storytelling is amazing. This sneaker is inspired by the currency of food stamps and the dates they are renewed by the government. This pair has subtle suede accents with premium cracked leather across the upper. We have slight hits of silver complementing the natural base ensemble throughout the entire shoe. On their upper collar, heel foxing, and laces, we have a nice grayscale color blocking going on. But the swoosh can be worn away to reveal a nice light pink suede. This sneaker is known as the Silver Lining colorway, and it references the joy back in the day people would find on the 1st and 15th of the month. Those days is when the food stamps would restock. Not only food stamps, but disability checks would also touch down. At that moment, the recipient is on top of the world. They've been grinding for the last 2 weeks previous, and now they finally got their food stamps and they can put in some work and get some great groceries. This sneaker is really simple, but it looks great nonetheless. We have aged detailing at the midsole, and Social Status used a very clever use of materials. As I was saying earlier, there's more to this pair than meets the eye, as you can wear down the silver collar and the swooshes to reveal a nice red stardust suede layer. We have co-branding elements scattered all throughout the sneaker. However, the shoe's special packaging is that cherry on top. We have corner store or bodega inspired detailing referencing all 10 of the Social Status locations, both current and coming in the future. While even the laces are considered candy. The laces are in candy box inspirations, and it's a nice touch on the shoe. This Social Status colorway is the first out of 4 coming from Social Status and Nike. This shoe does feature a lot of Social Status branding promptly placed on the tongues, the heels, and the graphic insoles. The midsole is aged, and we have a rubber gray outsole that finishes the look. This is a very noteworthy collab. On the insoles, they feature a checklist graphic that lists all the Social Status locations, both existing and on the way, like I mentioned earlier. And naturally, the insoles are co-branded, just like the tongue. One tongue has a Nike, and one tongue has Social Status. This shoe, as I was saying earlier, has a large emphasis on food stamps, a mode of currency used in underserved Black and brown and minority communities. Social Status further explores this concept with booklets of social currency stamps, which unlocks a future experience as part of the Social Status and Nike Attack journey, as per a press statement. In terms of sizing, go a half size to a full size up. Nike Mac Attacks fit very small, and if you don't want a tight fit, I once again recommend going a half size to a full size up. In terms of resale, these sneakers do not go for a lot of money. At this point, the release is already passed, so if you're getting these shoes to resell, you would have to buy for the resale price and then hold to flip later in the future. These sneakers might go up in price, but I'm not too sure of that because of the simple nature of the color blocking. Maybe the pairs in the future might go for a little more based on the colors used, but as of right now, this Silver Lining colorway is nothing too crazy in terms of color blocking, so the resale is down right now. Before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things pop culture and definitely sneakers. If you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is my sneaker series, Kicks Are for Chris, because my name is Chris and kicks are definitely for me. Please stay tuned, I have a lot of videos coming. Once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I just checked in, now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching. Peace.